Now, hear ye, now please prepare for a Star Trek intervention, a physical therapy session discovered on Alpha Centauri's glittering Vega colony, brought to you in an alternate timeline, where a continuous alpha wave stimulation loop enhances my credibility in this social order of things. Without further ado, I give you the unboxing and initial use of the Alpha Stim Machine. So here we are. We're going to unbox it. There's the pads. Unboxing the Alpha Stim Machine. I'm not going to lie to you. We're really not sure how the alpha wave stimulation machine can disrupt or reduce pain. We know it works, we just don't really know how it works yet. Our mind, the human mind, is not quite there yet.
Here we have it, the Alpha Stim Machine.
But we have known for some time now that an increase in alpha brain waves through meditation or electrical stimulation can increase creative thinking.
The Alpha Stim Machine comes in a nice
clear box package.
Let's pull it over.
Now, alpha waves are at around 8 to 12 hertz.
Let nothing stop you. Made in 2019.
So just for your basic knowledge, gamma waves are around 25 to 100 hertz. Of course, that's per second, okay? You just took a snort of coke and you're playing poker with Stu Younger, your brain waves are at gamma level.
We have the probe. These are the pads. Okay, then you have one probe. You have two probes. You have the two batteries. These are your wires that go to the probe. Each probe gets a wire. You have some fluid. The batteries. Oh, they give you some pads. Those are 100 probe pads. Okay, now these go on the tip. These type here, which are round, they go on the tip of here. Here's the ear clip. You have ear clip. These are for if you have headaches. If you want to send block the pain waves going through the brain for headaches, disrupt the pain waves. You have ear clip. Okay, these are ear clip pads. They're not the ear clips, but these are the pads. Okay, so basically it comes with some pads. Ear clip pads and probe pads. That's what it comes with. Well, here's your ear clips right here. Here's your ear clips. So we'll take those out. And that's the unboxing. That's the unboxing. Let's go ahead and put these back. We'll put the wires back. We'll put the earplugs back. We'll put the probes back. And that's what it looks like. And that's what it looks like. The unboxing of the Alpha Stim Machine.
So alpha waves are 8 to 12 hertz. We talked about gamma waves are 25 to 100 hertz per second. And now beta waves. What are beta waves? Beta waves are 12 to 30 hertz. So, for example, your boss just yelled at you to get that damn report on his desk ASAP, and you're depressed and suffering anxiety. Your brain is now operating at beta wave rhythms.
Okay, before you use it, we got to put the batteries in. This thing just slides out. Okay, we're going to undo one of the power cords, or the wires to the probe. Okay, this side here goes into the machine. These are go into the probe. Okay, so this side here goes into the side of the machine like this. Okay, so we plugged this in to the side. Now all you have to do is put your wires into your probe. They go in here and in here. All right, we're just about ready to test the machine out. We plugged in our wire to number 1. So you have two sides here. You got number 1 and you got number 2 sides. You can actually wire yourself up to both sides, but hook them up to our pads. Now all we have to do is use a little bit of this cleaning solution on the area. We're going to put it right here on the shoulder. Is a painful area. So all we have to do is put a little bit of this on the shoulder area where we're going to put the pads. We're going to put the pad on the front side of the shoulder. We're going to put a pad on the back side of the shoulder. We'll have one pad on the front. We're going to have one pad again on the front and one pad on the back. Okay, so we're ready to put one pad on the back right there. And we're going to put the other pad right here. Oh, okay, so we got one pad in the back. One pad in the front, one pad in the back, and we're going to disrupt the pain going through the shoulder. This shoulder has bad arthritic symptoms. All the cartilage is gone, and the bone is rubbing on bone. So this is bad arthritis pain. And what our plan here is to have this pad here, this pad here. We're dealing with the alpha waves, the Star Trek technology. Okay, so we've turned the machine on, and you can go ahead and put the time. Here's the time. We're going to put the time for 20 minutes. So then we're going to go see this button here. We're going to up it up to we're going to go all the way up to the top pane. Up here is the alpha wave. So here's the alpha. This works on different alpha waves, okay? Actually right here, you see over here, this says 2.
If you see that 2 there, that means you're actually working on the one side. So we're actually working on the one side, and you see the 2, and 2 is not being worked. Now you can work both sides here. You can work 1 and 2 at the same time, simultaneously. We'll do that later. But right now we're working on side number 1 right there.
This is working on alpha waves, different alpha waves, the power of the wave. This is a shorter wave. So we're going to go with the middle wave. I'm going to show you how we can, all we have to do is push this button. You see how we went to 1.5 wave? We went to the 1.5 wave. So we'll just leave it in the 1.5 wave for now, but you can have a shorter wave. You can have the 0.05 wave, or you can go up to the 100. We'll talk about the wave later. We have it automatically on 20 minutes. We're going to push the power up. With this button right here, we'll push the power up to 6. I believe this is for 2. Okay, this power range is for this side. This power range is for that side. Okay, 20 minutes. Again, we have it on the front and on the back. The nice thing about the machine, as it's working, we're in 5 minutes. You can just sit back and sit back on the couch and lean forward a little bit. Lean forward so I can show people. See, you can lean back now. Okay, you can sit back and relax on the couch as the machine's working. You can experiment. Okay, right now we're working on the shorter wavelength, but for 5 minutes we can go ahead and up it to this. We're going to up it to the next wavelength for the next 5 minutes. Okay, we have it up to full power, and after about 5 minutes we can even go up to the next wavelength. And the nice thing about the machine is you just sit back and relax and let the machine work. The machine is disrupting the pain waves. Prepare for a Star Trek intervention where we disrupt the pain waves. A physical therapy session of future dimension. Okay, we're going to do something different. We're going to use both sides. I told you can use side 1, but you can also use side 2. And I'm going to show you how to do it. So we're going to plug side 2 in, and then we're going to put 2 more patches, because this shoulder has a lot of pain. So we're going to put 2. We're going to use both sides. We're plugged in. We're going to up the power to 6 for this side. Now we're putting both pads on both sides, so we're doing the ultimate pain disruption method here. Okay, sit back and relax now. Now just sit back, lay back, there you go. And the beautiful thing about this, you just sit back and relax and you let the machine do its work.